Let's now move on and tell you about what the situation is in Maharashtra, because till last night there was a lot of confusion on whether flights would take off and land in the Mumbai airport. And after much reservation, Maharashtra has finally agreed to resume flight operations. In fact, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik had announced that the state will allow movement of only 25 passenger flights to and from Mumbai airport from today. He further informed that the scale of operations will be increased slowly. The first flight departed from Mumbai at 6:45 this morning for Patna. The first arrival was from Lucknow at 8:20 in the morning. But even as domestic flight operations resume, 2 officers have tested positive. This is at Mumbai's air cargo complex. A total of, in fact, 6 officers have tested positive so far. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray yesterday had raised concerns that the resumption of flight services may pose as a serious threat to the state, which has already been badly hit by coronavirus.
केंद्र सरकार ने ऐलान किया था कि 25 तारीख से देश अंतर्गत विमान सेवाएं शुरू होंगी, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र को लेके स्थिति साफ नहीं हुई थी। आज हमारे मुख्य सचिव ने नागरिक उड्डयन विभाग और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया से चर्चा करने के बाद ये निष्कर्ष पे आए कि 25 उड़ानें लैंड करेंगी, 25 उड़ानें टेक ऑफ करेंगे और धीरे-धीरे सेवाएं बढ़ाई जाएगी।
Big relief because we came here on the 23rd and stuck here as a tourist, and now it's been lockdown going on and on and on. We're just relieved with our age and with exposure to this Bombay. Unnecessarily, I think we should have been given time to move back first.
After almost 2 months, domestic flight operations have started in our country. We are right now present at Mumbai airport. Look at the current situation over here. Proper social distancing norms are being followed. Only few gates have been kept open. Thermal screening will be done. Now, the most important part at the Mumbai airport that it has the capacity to run over 1,000 flight operations. This is the busiest airport of our country. But right now, it is going to run only 50 operations per day, which means 25 flights are going to take off and 25 flights are going to land at Mumbai airport. Now, another important aspect over here is all the passengers who will be landing at Mumbai airport, they have to fill up a self-declaration form. If there is any symptoms, they will be directly taken to the isolation facility and their testing will be done. The most important problem which passengers are facing at Mumbai airport are due to the flight cancellation. Now here you can see there are several passengers sitting over here. They came over here since yesterday evening, but when they checked their flight status online or through the customer service, they were told that their flight is on time. But when they came to this particular counter over here, they were informed their flight is cancelled. Now they face lot of difficulties to reach at the airport. Mumbai being in the red zone, highly affected due to coronavirus, so they face lot of difficulties to come at the airport. You can see how with small children people have come over here, but once they reach at the airport, they were told that their flights are being cancelled. So this is the most important problem the passengers at Mumbai airports are facing, that no prior proper information was given to them. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.